What's up, Jooba people? Today we're going to learn how to play this, and we're going to show you a close-up. So, tomorrow's a new day for everyone. And the bridge part. The daylight, nothing. La, la, Cool beans. So, be sure to download the PDF for this lesson. You'll find it on the description of this video. It's got all the chords and lyrics to the whole thing, the picking pattern, which is actually pretty easy, and then all the lyrics and blah blah blah. Okay, so let me just show you a close-up of the chords, or let me walk you through the chord diagrams quickly. First of all, the tuning for the song is pretty cool. It's double drop D, so that means you're gonna tune the strings D like it's on the screen there. Okay, so D, these two strings are tuned down to D, so you can just get a tuner and download it like that, or download it, tune it like that. And it says in the key of G because it's capo on 4th fret, but we're going to be using all the chords relative to the key, to the capo. Okay, so the first chord that you need to know is the D chord. Okay, now this is actually going to be a D sus2 because of the tuning, but don't worry about that. And then the pinky you kind of put here on the 4th fret. That's what that note is in brackets. So. But don't try to do that now, just stay with me here. For the G, 5th fret, just the one finger there, okay? Muting the string just below it. For the E minor, you're just gonna do this. For the C add 9, that's what we use in the bridge. For the G/B, you're gonna do this one. So C, G/B. Don't know why everything's vibrating like this on my guitar today. Anyway, okay, and then we go into the picking pattern. Now the picking pattern is pretty nice. So you're gonna have root note and then everything together. So that's the first two notes. Let me show you a close-up for this. Okay, so okay. That's the first. And it's very good to see the note values. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2. Now that thumb note that's in brackets means it's implied, but it's not really played in the original. But you can play it just to get the picking pattern, but it's not played in the original. So. So that's how the original sounds. The easier way is to play that note actually. Now once you have that picking pattern down, you can start adding the pinky the second time you go through, just for the first note. So let me do that slowly. Sorry, I just made that up, but you get the idea. And then when you get to the C part, or the pre-chorus part, tomorrow's a new day for everyone. the bridge part, you're just going to take the picking down one string here to the root note. Okay, so basically the first verse you're going to be follow the sun, which way the wind blows. There's a new day for everyone. Brand new day. Oh, my bad. I just been playing this with capo on the 4th fret. It's actually capo on 5. Anyway, have a nice day, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.